Hi everyone, today we will be checking out the YOBYBO Xboat Pro earbuds. It is one of the latest innovative set of earbuds to be released into the market. It has some amazing features like a cool sleek metallic aluminum body, along with powerful bass and good audio output, which I will try it out later. The packaging looks really professional and modern looking. It has nice illuminated prints on it to showcase the branding and design. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one Xboat Pro casing along with the earbuds fitted nicely within the metal casing. Also included is a pack of earphone mesh covering. A USB-C charging cable is provided too, so users can charge up the earbuds casing when battery is low. On first impressions, the YOBYBO Xboat Pro earbuds have a sleek and modern looking premium CNC machined space aluminum case, which looks really shiny and clean cut. The branding is also illuminated in silver tone to accentuate the quality and elegance of the product. On the front, right beside the branding, there is a USB-C charging port which I can use the USB cable, which is conveniently provided to charge up the aluminum casing when the battery is low. When I flip the casing, I will have access to the earbuds. I can easily slide them out like what I am doing here. The earbuds are well protected from dust as the speaker grill is facing the internal side of the casing. The LED indicating light will light up when the earbuds are placed inside to show it's charging. The physical earbuds themselves look very sleek and elegant, with a chic matte black metallic design to it. It has a weightless design as one earbud itself weighs less than a sheet of A4 paper at just 3.9 grams per earbud, making wearing an enjoyable experience without feeling the weight. And connect to the Xboat device from the device scan list. It connects really easily without hassle or trouble over Bluetooth. Jamming to beats on this device is great. Sound is crisp, enhances the music streaming experience of users, enabling for greater clarity and a more enjoyable music listening experience. The device has hands-free touch control enabled. Users can simply slot back the earbuds into the dedicated slots on the casing to charge it up seamlessly. It's a pleasant device to use and bring around with its compact charging case. It has a 40-hour battery life on a full charge, as the playtime on the earbuds battery is 5 hours, while the battery in the casing can recharge the earbuds for a runtime of 35 hours, so 40 hours of overall usage combined. Good option. All in all, I find the YOBYBO Xboat Pro Bluetooth wireless earbuds a good find. The design looks amazing. I like the silver metallic aluminum charging case in particular, along with the elegant looking black earbuds that comes with it. It is chic and modern with a minimalist design, enhancing user-friendliness and portability with its sleek body. If you want to find out more about the YOBYBO Xboat Pro Bluetooth earbuds, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.